delicious creamy garlic baked chicken. This is such an amazing chicken recipe. It pairs so well with rice or mashed potatoes. It's really good and the perfect weeknight dinner. Let's get started. Alright you guys, for this recipe we're using 6 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with some spices. So in this bowl I have some salt and pepper. I also have 2 teaspoons each of paprika, basil, thyme and rosemary. Mix the spices together, then you're going to season both sides of your chicken with the spices. Once you've seasoned both sides of your chicken very well, you're going to wrap them with a saran wrap. Then let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can use this time to prep all your other ingredients. After the chicken has marinated for 30 minutes, we're going to sear them. So go ahead and heat up some oil in a skillet over medium to medium-high heat. Allow the oil to get extremely hot, then place all 6 of your chicken thighs in the pan. And make sure you place the skin side down, okay guys? Next, we're going to let the chicken sear for 3 minutes on one side, then turn them over and let them sear for another 3 minutes on the other side. We're looking for a nice golden brown color, just like this. So if you haven't achieved this color, make sure you let them sear for a little longer. Once the chicken has a beautiful golden brown color on both sides, go ahead and take them out of the pan and set them aside for later. Next, you're going to get rid of all the burnt bits in your pan. You can use a paper towel to clean it out a little. Make sure you leave a little bit of oil in your pan. We're going to make the creamy sauce for the chicken, so go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. As soon as the butter has melted, we're going to toss in 1 large minced onion. Go ahead and cook the minced onion for about 5 minutes until it cooks down and caramelizes a little, just like this. Then you're going to add 5 huge cloves of minced garlic. Cook the garlic for about a minute until it begins to get fragrant. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to cook the flour for 1 minute just to get rid of that raw flour taste. Then pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. Go ahead and mix the chicken broth in continuously until the mixture thickens, just like this. Then we're going to add a half cup of whole milk and a half cup of heavy cream. You can simply use half and half if that's what you have. Whisk the cream in and get everything very well incorporated. Then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. I am grating in about a 1/4 cup. I have 2 little cubes of chicken bouillon going in. I am also adding some fresh basil, about a 1/4 cup, and another 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Next, mix everything in and let the sauce cook for about a minute to bring all the flavors together. Then we're going to add the chicken. Don't forget to add the juice from the chicken, that's all good flavor. Next, you're going to drizzle some of the sauce over the chicken. Then put this in the oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Make sure you check the chicken for internal temperature of 165 to 175 Fahrenheit because that's the safest temperature for baked chicken thighs. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I can't stress enough how amazing the aroma is. Look at all that delicious creamy sauce on the chicken. This is best served